What
No, I
defense
didn't
counsel?
hear. He's breaking, ma'am. He's breaking, my lord.
Okay. Try again.
All right. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Then. Your name is Obiageli Odbenyano. Am I correct?
My name is Obiageli Obenyano. Obi.
All right. You when the employment of the defendant from 1st April 2017 to 30th of April 2020. Am I correct?
I didn't hear you. You're breaking. You're breaking.
Ibrahim, take my phone. Let him use it.
You're breaking.
Come forward. You have the Zoom details.
It's online.
It's online.
It is online as well.
I can hear my lord very well.
Okay, so can you hear me now, Mrs.
Yes.
Obiageli?
You're better. Yes, you're better.
All right. So I said you worked in the defendant from 1st of April 2017 to 30th of April 2020. 30th of April 2020. Am I correct?
I worked in the defendant's company from April. What did you say?
I said 17th of April 2017 to 30th of April.
Barrister, you're breaking.
2020.
Barrister, you're breaking.
Counsel.
Probably it's where you're stuck.
Can you sit together?
You're
So
breaking.
you can use.
So, I'm taking this our own network. Because even my phone is a 5G. My phone is a 5G for the network. I won't hear me talking, but she cannot. So it's
Okay, let's
from my
try
side,
his
not
zone
from her.
and see.
No problem.
Let's try his zone and see. Then another thing you could disconnect to leave the meeting. Because when too many devices are connected, it may affect the network. So leave the meeting. Let's see if it's better.
I don't know why I can hear my lord very clearly. I can hear her very clearly.
Okay, let's try one more time.
Mr. Biagali, can you hear me now, please?
Ibrahim, take the phone. Just put it on speaker. I can hear from there. Okay. Mr. Biagali, can you hear me now?
Very well. Much better. Much better.
Okay, then. So I said, can you confirm you worked in the defendant company from 1st of April 2017 to 30th of April 2020? Am I correct?
Perfect. Correct.
You communicated your resignation to the defendant on 30th of April 2020. Am I correct?
Correct. To my president. Correct.
30th of April 2020. And after your resignation, the only dealing you had with the defendant was when you went to drop your handover notes on the 4th of May 2020. Am I correct?
Correct. Hold on. No, that is not correct. Because when I handed over, I had to go back to clear my things from the office.
Okay, Yes, yes. That was the only thing you went to do after then. Yeah, no problem.
Yes.
No, I said 4th of May 2020. She had no dealings thereafter. So and now she's saying that she went back to pack her things. That's all she says. 4th of May, 04 May 2020.
The question is, after your resignation, they went to pack the defendant of when you went to drop your hand over
Notes, yes.
already man.
Talking to me.
Sorry, okay. Okay, let me repeat the question I asked you again. I said, after your resignation, the only dealings that you had with the defendants
Yes.
was when you went to drop your handover note. That was what I asked you.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
you said absolutely correct.
Hand over notes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Absolutely correct.
So at the point of your resignation, the company did not make any payment to you. Am I correct?
By my resignation, they had paid me little bit.
No. I said at the point of your resignation.
No, not a kobo.
Exactly. Sorry, please hold on, please, because the judges. That's all.
The company made any payment.
Yes. And please answer again, so the court can hear you clearly.
I said they have not paid me 1 penny
At the
since
point of your resignation. Sorry, please answer the
correct.
question. Yes.
Absolutely correct.
Yeah. And also at the same point of resignation, you also did not make any payment to the company.
No.
All right. Yes. Sure, please can I answer the exit? Okay. Okay. So because the defendant company was satisfied with your management of the defendant, your appointment was confirmed in November 2017.
Absolutely
Right.
correct.
What did you
November 2017. From the date of your appointment, that's on the 1st of April, to the point of your confirmation, there was no complaint of financial impropriety against you. Am I correct?
Against me, no.
No, that's no. Listen, please listen to the question
Yes.
carefully. I said, at the point of your appointment till the point of your confirmation in November 2017, there was no complaint of financial impropriety against you.
And I said no.
No, what now?
There was none.
All right, yes. All disbursements that were carried out at your direction during the period of from your appointment to your confirmation were all for official purposes. Am I correct?
Let me rephrase what you have said.
No, sorry, please. Sorry, Mrs. Obiageli, you cannot rephrase questions for me. You can ask me to repeat myself. You cannot rephrase my question for
No,
me.
what
I
I'm
hope you.
trying to say is that the question you have asked is improper because I don't approve. The president approves. You say I approve.
Sorry, please listen to the question properly.
Yes.
Listen to the question. If you have no answer, you let the problem.
You don't have the answer.
Okay.
You provide the response. You don't suggest what I should ask you to you.
Okay.
All the statements carried out from when?
No, sorry, my lord. I will come back to that. I will go ahead or something. I will come back to that. By your witness statement on oath of the 22nd of February 2022,
Yes.
you stated that you received an aggregate sum of 6,895,800 naira during the time of your employment with the defendant. Is that correct?
Can you say that again?
By your witness statement on oath, which
Okay.
you adopted in the court,
Yes.
you said you received an aggregate sum of 6,895,800 naira during the time of your employment with the defendant. An aggregate sum. Is that correct?
Yes. If that's what I wrote, it's correct. Yes. Yes.
Hold on. Okay. You also stated in your statement on oath
Hmm.
that your yearly salary during your employment with the defendant was 9,680,000 naira. Am I correct?
Hold on. Six. Was how much? How
You
much?
stated that during your employment with the defendant, your yearly salary was 9,680,000 naira.
No. No.
You said no. That's not what you said.
I'm trying to find my document because I was paid 600 a month. So I don't know.
Sorry, Mr. Biageli. I'm asking you of what is in your statement or not, which is something within your knowledge. It's not what I said. It's what is in your it's in it is in the statement of note that you presented before the court.
Okay, yes.
The said sum of 9,680,000 naira was your gross annual salary, not your net salary.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
You said sum of 9 million. Was it annual or?
I said the sum of 9,680,000 was your gross annual salary,
Yes.
not your net salary. That
Okay.
is, it is not what you earn after tax and pension deductions. Yes.
Absolutely correct. Yeah.
And what is it?
You said yes, absolutely correct. So, and in your arrival at the sum of 9,680,000 naira that you stated in your statement or notes, you included your leave allowance as well. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. By your contract of employment, which is Exhibit C1, your leave allowance is 15% of your annual basic salary. Am I correct?
Yes.
15% of your annual basic salary. And she said yes. Your annual gross basic salary is 7.2 million. Am I correct? We just said 600,000 per month now. So
Yeah.
7.2 million. Yeah. And 15% of that is 1,018,000 naira. Am I correct?
I can do the maths. I don't know. I'm not very good at maths. I can do the maths.
Yeah. No, she said she wants to do the math. But yes, but it's part of the things you put
Yes,
before the court. It's not even what
yes,
I'm suggesting. It's in
yes,
your document before the court.
yes.
Okay. By your contract of employment, Exhibit C1, you are entitled to leave allowance after 1 year of service, which said 1 year is to be calculated from the date of your confirmation. Am I correct?
Can you say that again?
By your contract of employment,
Yes,
you are entitled to leave allowance after 1 year of service. Am I correct?
absolutely.
And that 1 year of service is calculated from the date of your confirmation. Am I correct?
Absolutely.
Yes. During your employment, you were initially commuting through an official car and driver, and thereafter you were commuting through an official bus and driver. Am I correct?
I'll say that again. Say
I'm
that.
coming. Hold on.
Okay.
So during your employment, you were initially commuting through what? Through an official car and driver. Am I correct?
For 3 months. And the car did not have AC. It was borrowed.
Sorry, please.
Not wasn't car.
Just
It
answer. Sorry, please. So we don't digress. Just answer the question. You stated your case in your statement notes. So just answer the question I'm asking. So and thereafter, you were commuting through an official bus.
the
Am I
staff,
correct?
staff bus.
Yes, the official bus. It's not your personal bus, right?
The staff bus. Yes.
Yeah. Throughout your time as the Director General of the defendant, no audit whatsoever was carried on the finances of the organization.
No.
All right. In paragraph 6 of your statement of notes, which you adopted before this court, you stated that one of the conditions of your employment was that the office will be funded. Do you confirm this? You said so in your statement of notes. Can you answer that, please, Mrs. Obiageli?
I'm trying to find what you said in my notes. If you can.
Paragraph 6 of your statement on oath. I refer you to a particular
Yeah,
paragraph.
just hold on. Yeah, yes. Let me confirm before I answer.
But Mrs. Obiageli, I don't know. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So my lord, I intend to show the witness the particular document. Um, that's the contracts of employment, exhibit C1. Okay. So okay, you have your contract of employment before you, right?
I don't have it, but you can.
Okay, there is nowhere in your contract of employment where that is contained.
It's an NGO.
No. See, please, like I said, I'm asking you a direct question, and I expect a direct answer. It's because we were not here. If not, I would have given you the document to point it out to us. That's why I have to ask it to you this way. There's nowhere in your contract of employment where that is stated. It's a direct question, a direct answer.
Yes,
Funny, yes.
yes. But I just wanted to say it's
All
an
right.
NGO.
No, sorry, please.
So certain things.
Yes. Say it. No, I said the particular thing is not contained in a contract. Actually, yes. Yes. And I asked her that. Okay, sorry. Then what I asked her was, it is not contained in your contract of employment. Yes or no?
I said
Yes,
yes,
it is
but I
contained.
an NGO.
Sorry, I can't hear you
What
properly.
I'm saying, because the contract of employment
Sorry,
is from
please.
an NGO.
Mr. Obiageli,
Yeah,
let me hear you. I can't even hear.
Yes,
Is it in your contract of employment?
I work for an NGO, and it is not stated, but it's an NGO.
It is not stated.
But it's an NGO.
No, my lord. I think she even said it's not stated, but because it's an NGO. That's what
No,
she said.
I said but. I said but.
Wait a minute, please. Is it? Please hold on, please. Is it stated in your contract of employment? Yes or no? Then you can go on. First answer that part. Let the court hear you.
I said no, but I work for an NGO. What's wrong with that?
So sorry, please. So that the court understands your response.
That's why I'm saying
no, it is not contained. Say it in full.
No, it is not contained, but I work for an NGO.
As a court, please. Okay. In your statement or not before this court, you made reference to financial constraints. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Are you aware that during your tenure and even after your tenure till date, there is no action or petition against the organization? Yes. During your tenure and after your tenure, and even till date, there is no action or petition. No action or petition against the defendant company for unpaid salaries and entitlements, other than this one that you filed.
That's totally untrue. The present DG sent in a petition. The former DG before me sent in a petition.
Do you have anything to substantiate any of these things that you said?
Do I have
anything to substantiate any of these things that you said?
Of course.
Is it before the court?
Of course, I can send it to
Is it before the court?
They even called me. They
I'm
called
asking you, Mr. Obiageli, I'm asking you a direct question. Listen to my questions. I'm not asking you to provide some other explanations. I'm asking you direct questions.
I said yes.
Do you have any evidence before this court?
Yes. Don't badger
so
me.
Which exhibit is it? Which exhibit is it before the court?
I said yes.
Yes,
Yes, I have.
But I'm asking you, is it an exhibit before this court? I'm asking you, is it an evidence before the court?
It's not
yes.
It's all right. Because it did not arise.
It's all right. Okay. Yes. Yes. In your statement on oath before the court, you allege that you are owed certain salaries.
I'm owed.
Am I correct?
What
you allege that you are being owed salaries.
You're correct.
Is there anything you have put before this court to establish that you are really being owed any salaries at all? What evidence have you furnished to the court to show that you are being owed any salaries?
I attached the statement detailing what I was owed.
That's a statement prepared by you.
Absolutely.
Am I correct?
Yes, which was
All
why
right.
they started an audit to know
Sorry,
whether they owed me.
sorry, please. The court is writing, please. And
Yes.
the court wants to hear your responses, please. That's
Okay,
why I want you to answer my question directly. So
I am.
the question, what's your answer to the question I asked you now?
Mhm.
Owed any salaries or entitlements? And you said yes.
I said yes. And I said I attached it.
And you said what? You attached what?
I
The
attached
evidence.
the full statement of what they owe me.
Said she attached the full statement of what she's being owed. So, and I'm being, the next thing I said was that statement is a document that was prepared by you. Am I correct?
Absolutely. But that statement gave rise to an audit by the organization to know whether they owed me 6 years ago.
Yes. No. The next question answer was that statement was made by you. And she said yes. Oh yeah, Mr. Obiageli,
Yes.
payments in the organization are made through checks. Am I correct?
Yes.
And when payments are made through checks, the only details that bank statements show are the check numbers, amounts, and dates cleared. Am I correct?
Say
When
that.
payments when payments are made through checks,
Mhm.
a bank statement would only show the check numbers, amounts, and the date of the clearance. Am I correct?
I suppose so.
Yes, the check number, amounts, and the date of clearance.
Mm.
Yes. The defendant. I showed on. Okay.
My lord, he did not say that. He said, I suppose so. Yes.
Okay. The defendant keeps checks, stubs, which are like records of the financials ingoing and outgoing of the defendant. Am I correct?
Yes.
As the director general of the defendant company, the said check stubs were in your possession. Am I correct?
No. No.
Hold on. My lord? Yes. Custody, yes. She said no. Are you aware that as a director general of the defendant, by the provisions of the Companies and Allied Matters Act, yes, my lord, you had an obligation to ensure that annual financial audits were carried out on the defendant?
The president
Are
ran
you aware?
the
Please, I'm asking you a question. Are you aware? I'm aware. I'm not aware. Simple.
number.
I'm asking if you are aware.
I'm
The
not
law is the law. It doesn't change.
I cannot answer that question because that particular organization had a peculiar kind of system.
Sorry, please, Mr. Begeli. You can only answer questions that I've asked you.
No, I
Please.
cannot answer your question.
Sorry, Lord, please.
They did not run the organization according to how it was run. The president had the checks and he ordered the audits. The president of the organization was in charge. He ordered the audits.
Which audit are you talking about?
Any audit, he orders it. I don't. He does.
The president of the organization.
Yes.
Orders the audit.
Yes. He's the one who is in charge. He holds the checkbooks. He orders the audit. He approves every money payment.
The president orders the audit of the organization.
Yes.
That's true.
The president of the organization.
I'm fine. Okay. In your statement on oath, before this court,
Yes.
sorry, madam. You tendered a particular document which was admitted at Exhibit C. In your list of documents, it was referred to as complete for the break in the office, break into the office.
Yes.
66, my lord.
Yeah.
It was marked as 66. Yeah. So the said document is undated and is not signed. Am I correct? Yes, madam. Yes, 66, yes, madam.
It's an email. Is it an email?
Please, I'm sorry, hold on, please. I'm asking you a direct question.
I'm asking you, is it an email? Do emails get signed? Do you
Yes,
check
madam. This is what I'm going to have to hold on so I can show the document to her. So hold on, please, hold on.
Jesus.
So please, Mr. Obiageli, look at the camera, please.
Yes.
Look at this document.
Yes.
That's why I'm saying that this document was tendered through you. You tendered this document in evidence. And you confirmed. Yes. So, and the said document does not carry your signature. Am I correct?
That document was part of an email.
Mr. Obiageli, I'm not asking you. Sorry, please listen to me.
I didn't sign it because it was part of an email.
My lord, we are definitely email for us.
It's not signed, but it's part of an email. The original is an email.
I'm not asking what it is part of. I asked you a simple question. I asked you a direct question. Give me a direct answer.
It doesn't. Yeah, sometimes things don't work like that. You need to explain where you're coming from because you're barraging me.
By paragraph. No, my lord, she had provided a response. She said yes, it's assigned, but it was part of an email. That's what she said. Yeah. By clause 7.4 of your contract of employment,
Yes.
you had an obligation to return. Yes. You had an obligation to return all documents, records, and items in your possession and custody to the defendant. Am I
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Hello? She is muted now. Hello? Hello? Can't hear you.
Sorry, my lord. I'm here, my lord. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yes, ma'am. So she had an obligation to return all documents, records, and items in her possession to the chambers, which she confirmed yes. Such records
Yes.
did not include, as you rightly said in the course of your evidence today, does not include check stubs, checkbooks, and other such items. Am I correct?
It included everything that was in my possession at the time of my leaving. But
Sorry. Please, hold on, please, because I want the court to take down the proper answer to the question. Hold on, please.
Yes.
Hold on.
Yes.
Yes. In the course of your evidence before this court, the court has its record.
Yes.
You stated that the president keeps the check stubs. Am I correct?
And some
check.
Yes.
He said the president keeps his check stubs and checkbooks. Am I correct?
Absolutely. Some things and documents. The sign off
document. No, sorry, please speak louder, please, so the court can hear you.
Sorry. And the sign off documents, the book to sign off, the ledger.
No, sorry, please. Hold on, please.
Yes.
I'm asking you specific questions now, which I want to give specific answers to, not. So hold on, please. Listen to me, please. I'm the one asking the questions, please. So you answer my question, not what you want to answer, please. I said, in your evidence before this court, in the course of your speaking, you confirmed that the president keeps the check stubs, checkbooks. You stated it here in your evidence. Do you still confirm that position?
Of course, and the ledgers.
Yes, hold on. Yeah, that's all. I'm not asking too much. Please, hold on.
No, I need the court to take note of all of them. So when you ask a question, you can answer. I can answer. Yes.
All right. But in the course of upon your resignation, there were still some outstanding items and records in your possession, which you never tendered to the defendants. Am I correct?
You forget the break-in into the office. You have skipped the break-in into my office. You forget the break-in. You took the mail, but you refused to mention the break-in that stole the documents.
Ms. Obiageli.
Their instruction.
Ms. Obiageli, I'm asking you directly.
You need to put things. Don't put words in my mouth. Lawyer, don't put words in my mouth. I'm a lawyer too. Don't put words in my mouth. And don't take things out of
Ms. Obiageli.
No, I can hear you. I can hear you clearly.
Witness.
Don't do that.
Witness.
My lord.
Hello? Okay. My you need to calm. You need to calm down, okay?
My lord, I'm calming down. The learned counsel is putting words into my mouth. I said to him that the president kept the ledgers, he kept the checkbooks, I took them from him to write a check, which he approved before payment. I prepared the vouchers. He's saying I should have returned. I said everything in my possession, yes, but that there was a break-in into my office that removed those things that were in my possession at the time I left, and that was what the email was for that he introduced without talking about it. There was a break-in. That's what
there was a break-in.
Thank you.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Hold on. Let me record you. Hold on.
Thank you, my lord.
So, the question now.
Upon resignation, did you still have some document records in your position? I mean, answer is all right. Okay, so my lord, to be clear, because the question was that she had an obligation to return all documents and items in her possession. Then I said, however, not all items and records in her possession were returned. Yes. And but my lord, because she provided an answer to what I did not answer, narrating all stories and.
Sorry.
So, my lord, please, I didn't get the answer she gave you, my lord. I don't know if my lord could read it out here.
I did not object to many
Was part of my great issue legal consent. By 7.4 of the contract of employment, rather communication from all students and records
and items in your position. Some records did not include checks, stocks, etc. It included everything that was.
No, my lord, no. She said that she confirmed even in her explanation to you.
I want to listen.
Yes, she is.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So by confirming my report of the contract agreement, you had an obligation to return all documents and records and items in your possession.
Yes, she said yes.
In your evidence, you confirmed the president these checks, stocks, and ledgers. Is that correct?
She said yes.
Upon resignation, you have some documents and records in your possession. Yes, sir.
I know, but for that last question now is where I said, where I specifically told her that, however, not all records that were left in her possession at the point of resignation.
So I add that to this question.
That was exactly, so that was the last question that she was now trying to explain.
You still have some documents and records in your possession. Well, you say, what?
No, my lord, the question was not did you have, because she has given evidence on these affairs before. So my question to her was very direct, and it was not all records, items that were in her possession at the point of resignation were provided. So that was when she now started. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yeah, my lord. The question is not all records of the financial affairs. Not all records of the financial and other documents that were in your possession were provided upon your resignation.
Is she there?
Yes, she did. Yeah, provided.
Read it. Okay, let me read what I.
Yes, my lord.
I think she heard me. Okay.
My lord, I didn't hear you.
Okay, madam, I think maybe my lord should read it to her.
The question is, not all records of the financial affairs and other documents that were in your possession were provided upon resignation.
Yes.
Is that correct?
I don't know, because I didn't hand over. I was going to hand over, and I found that my office was broken into.
Hold on.
So I couldn't lay my hands on any document.
Sorry,
No,
the
I
court is
cannot answer your
recording.
question.
No, listen, please. The court is recording you, so talk slowly. She's writing what you are saying.
What I am saying, I'm saying again,
slowly,
is that on that day, I was supposed to hand over those things. I got to my office.
Sorry, hold on. Wait.
Oh, God. Lawyer, let me speak. Learned counsel.
Say what you want to say.
Learned counsel, let me speak now. You're badgering me, learned counsel. Let me speak. Let me speak.
You
my
will speak.
Lord,
Counsel.
My lord.
Clement, hold on.
Okay.
You give me 3 words at a time so I can record. I'm writing.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, 3 words at a time. Now, listen to the question.
I've heard the question.
Hold on, listen to the question one more time.
Okay, ma'am.
Not all records of the financial affairs and other documents that were in your possession were provided upon resignation. What is your answer to that question?
My answer is, the day I went to hand over, that is how I will resign. Handover note.
Hold on. The day I went to hand over,
I found my office had been broken into, and there were no documents in my office.
Hold on. I found my office had been broken into, and I did not find any documents in the office.
Any documents that I left,
okay. I did not find. Hold on.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. And I did not find any document
I
in the office
I was working on.
I was working on. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's the answer to this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll hand you over to the counsel to continue cross-examination.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you speak slowly so that I can record, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Maybe that you still 20%, so you can still go well.
Yeah. You made reference to a break-in. Am I correct?
Pardon?
You made reference to a break-in
Yes.
to your office.
Yes, absolutely. Correct.
Aside aside the undated and unsigned documents that you presented to the court, there's no other thing that you have before the court to substantiate that your allegation. Am I correct?
I sent the email to my board members, and I sent a copy which you have.
Sorry,
I've
please.
Yes.
Please, there's no other thing before this court to substantiate your allegation of a break-in.
Well, I have a report. I have a reply from my board members, which is supposed to be with you, which agreed that they said they would sort it out. I have.
Sorry, Miss Obiageli. I'm asking you that she's narrating that she sent something to someone. But please, Mr. Obiageli, I'm asking you a direct question now. And please listen to me carefully, because
your
listen,
question
please.
does not deserve a yes or no, because
I'm not asking you,
I work for an organization and there is a process. So you
Mr. Obiageli.
my process. What did you do? And that is how you evaluate what I did. It's not, is there any other, what did you do? What is your process? Let I cancel. Stop.
Trying to sign it back to the meeting.
Mr. Obiageli.
Yes.
Sorry. Okay.
Sign the undated and unsigned document before the court.
Yes,
is there anything to substantiate the break-in?
My Lord, I said
that is before the court.
My Lord, I said to him that I immediately emailed the president, which is the letter he showed you, without showing that it's an email, because I was not in the company. I emailed the president, emailed the committee that was running the chamber, and told them about it, which was the process I was supposed to do. And they told me that they would deal with it.
Okay. Yeah, yes. This is about the conclusive part of it. Okay. I don't know if you are with your statement or not, because I want you to read a particular paragraph there, but and I'm not sure the camera will be able to capture the entire paragraph. I want you to read the particular paragraph of your statement or not. Do you have it with you?
No. Learned Counsel, I mean,
No. They could scan the document to you. You don't need to have it physically.
well,
I want you to read the paragraph there.
probably you can. My lawyer can take a picture and send it to me now.
Yeah, I wanted us to look at paragraph 10.
My lawyer is there. Yes.